Alright, happy Tuesday everyone! So nagminamatamis ako ng ang mga so I am cooking rice now guys because I am Filipino. I also eat rice. Alright, okay. So napansin ko kasi magluto ko kanon guys, and then maya napanis na. So sabi ni Mikay, my sister told me to put a little vinegar to your water in the rice. So subukan natin. Kasi sabi niya, bukutangan daw na ako og vinegar para dili-dali mapanos ang rice. Okay, parang so that the rice will always stay fresh. Okay? Yan. So the rice will always stay fresh. So kunti lang daw, kunti. So you know, because I really noticed that I have been cooking rice over here, guys. And then I have been cooking the rice over here. Then later when I need some rice for my food, and then my rice already ruined, just like this one. It's already ruined. So I just wash this one. I just wash, and then because hindi naman siya, it's not smelly yet, or it's still what I don't like it is it becomes very watery. You know, the rice becomes watery, and I don't like to eat that, of course. Okay. So, yan, ako na siyang so I rewash it again for my kittens, okay? Because I'm gonna buy them sardines later. I'm going to buy my cat sardines because that's their favorite food as well, aside from cat food. Alright? Guys, if you haven't seen this one over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. Yeah, nakatamsak po ng mga viewers ni Vlogs. Gabi ida po, please watch po sa channel niya. Yes! Oh my God! Welcome to, you know, I really would like to shout out the at Rimblim. Rimbim Vlogs, okay guys, Rimbim Vlogs, okay. You know, we have to support yung nag-i-effort talaga ng mga new YouTubers. You know, I'm also new here. You know, I'm not earning anything yet, alright? Pero ay na-appreciate ko po talaga yung mga tao na they also try their best, you know. So yeah, yes, of course. Thank you so much to all the viewers of Rimbim Vlogs. Of course, Dave, don't worry, Dave. Ganon talaga, okay. Thank you so much, Rimbim. Rimbim. ang hirap i-ano, guys. Ang hirap i-ano talaga. Rimbim Vlogs, okay? Melissa Angela na taga New York. Oh my God, Melissa Angela. Alam mo, parang nagbibiro lang si Melissa Angela na taga New York. Oh! Okay, Melissa Angela, parang, sana hindi kasi Melissa na cousin ko. Siguro si Melissa Angela, si Melissa yan. Hi, Melissa! I think ikaw yan ha, si Melissa Angela. I'm not sure. Hello, Melissa Angela, are you still there? Kasi si Melissa, sabi ko, she's still, you know, my cousin, before I went live this morning, guys, she's still trying to talk to me. Even though I keep telling her, oh my God, I have to go because I need to go live with my YouTube. No, I have to go. Bahala ka. Mamaya na ako mag-reply sa iyo. So she knows talaga that I'm doing my live. Okay, guys? So she knows, my cousin knows that I'm doing my live. Kasi sabi ko, sayang yung oras. Magla-live na ako. Bahala ka. Mamaya na ako mag-reply. It's because she really want to treat my kids for a pool swimming today, and then they're leaving like 8 hours away from where I am. Okay, sa lahat to all my viewers over here, I will really more appreciate if I know you guys. I really want to know you all. I wish that you can able to interact here with me again, so I can also shout out your YouTube channel here. Alright, so this is Daphne and Victoria 777 live from Davao City, Philippines. I really hope that you can able to interact with me, so I really know who my viewer is. Alright? Yan. Okay. Ayan po. So, right now, guys, I'm just going to, alam mo, pinapawisan ako. Dave, grabe, Dave. Thank you so much, Dave. Talaga. First time kong nag-reach ng mga ganyan. So, I really hope that, ito